friends, welcome to my channel. I hope everyone is doing good. Today we are going to solve Leetcode problem 3467, transform array by parity. So this is another array based recent coding problem that came up on Leetcode. So we'll understand this problem and we'll understand the logic as well as the solution to solve this coding problem. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe to this channel now. It really helps and supports this channel. Here we create videos to help others in their coding and Java interviews by showing them how to solve different problems with the logic as well as the solutions. So let's start with the problem statement first. You are given an integer array nums. Transform nums by performing the following operations in exact order specified. Replace each even number with 0 and replace each odd number with 1. Sort the modified array in non-decreasing order and then return the resulting array after performing these operations. Okay, so this is what the problem statement says. We'll understand it better with some examples. Nums.length will be between 1 to 100, so maximum 100 numbers will be there in that given array, and the numbers will range between 1 to 1000 inclusive. Okay, so let's take a look at one of these examples. So, or we can directly go and take a look at these examples here basically. So what they are saying is this is the given array, right? So each even number we want to replace it with a 0, right? So 4 will be replaced with 0, 2 will be replaced with 0, and this one odd number will be replaced with 1. So these are the operations you can perform, right? Each odd number replaced with 1. After you get this array, now you have to sort this array. So this is how your sorted array will look like, right? 0 0 1 1. Easy, right? Easy to understand what they want. Here what happens in the second case, you have 1 1 1 because these are odd numbers, and 0 0 because these are even numbers. Once you sort this array, this is what you will get, right? 0 0 1 1 1. So this is what the transform array by parity problem means basically, right? Okay, now it's easy to like solve this problem, but by using sorting, but we don't want to use sorting. Then how can you solve this problem, right? So you don't want to sort the array basically, right? This array that you get, you can easily sort it and then you will get this array by sorting, right? But if you don't want to sort it, then what, how you can do it, right? Better than sorting. So let's think about it. So basically, if you take this example, right, this example, what we can do with to solve this problem is we'll traverse this array from left to right and we will count how many even numbers are there, right? How many even numbers are there? So there are total 2 even numbers, correct? So once you know this, and how many odd numbers are there, first we will calculate odd numbers. Okay, odd numbers. So you know that there are 3 odd numbers there, right? You can just use mod 2 operation and you will get number of odd numbers. So these are the odd numbers here, right? Once you know that there are 3 odd numbers, then you obviously you can tell that there are 2 even numbers because you know the length of the array, right? Okay, once you know that information, then you can just perform like you can just fill it this array by first putting number, like whatever um, even number you have, you will first put that even number zeros, right? So we put even number of zeros, right? So we put 0 0 in the array, correct? Because we know how many even numbers are there in that array. Once I know odd numbers, I know how many odd numbers are there, so I can just put odd numbers there, right, of ones here. So I can actually get this output array, right? So I don't really have to solve it, so I can solve this problem easily in the order of n complexity, right? So this is how we will code it out. So first we will find out how many odd numbers are there in the array. Once I know how many odd numbers are there, I can easily tell how many even numbers are there because I know the size of that array, right? And then we will use this logic to populate this output array, which will be sorted, right? Because first we will put 0 there. So that's the logic to solve this problem. So let's take a look at the code. The code itself is very simple. So transform array is the method we are implementing. A nums array is given to us here, as you can see. So once is basically nothing but number of odd numbers basically, right? We are calculating here. So let us go through the array here in this for loop from 0 to nums.length I plus plus, and whenever you have a odd number you will add 1, because for odd number you will get 1 here. You understood this, right? When this nums of I is an odd number, when you do mod 2 you will get 1 there for odd number, right? And then that 1 you will add into this ones. So you know how many odd numbers are there after this for loop is done, correct? Okay, so once I know how many odd numbers are there, I can tell how many even numbers are there, right? Nums.length minus ones will tell me how many even numbers are there. So this part you understood, right? Okay, so I will start putting zeros for the even numbers here, right? So I is equal to 0, I is less than nums.length minus ones, I plus plus nums of I is equal to 0. So exactly what I shown you here. So I know even numbers is 2, so I will start putting these zeros there, right? Now the left 3 ones I have to put, right? So that one also I will do after this. So now filling ones for odd numbers, right? So I is equal to nums.length minus 1. So this is where we are starting now, correct? And I is less than nums.length I plus plus. So what it means is we will start from this index and we will go until the end of the array and start putting 1 there, correct? Nums of I is equal to 1, and at the end you just have to return the nums array, and that should solve the problem. Now here couple of for loops, but they are separate for loops, and it means that the order or the time complexity for this algorithm will be order of n, where n is total numbers given in that nums array, right? Because of this is order of n basically, right? And the space complexity, so let's write down here for you, right? So it will be clear. Time complexity order of n, where n is number of elements given in the nums array, and space complexity is going to be your order of 1. This is also called as constant by many people, because we did not use any data structure or anything to store anything, right? We are actually modifying the nums array directly, right? So it means that we are not using any like any space basically. So it's constant on space. So let us go ahead, execute this code, make sure it works and gives correct answer against the test cases. So the test cases are passed. As you can see here, we are getting correct answers. Here also correct answers. So we will now submit this code to the Leetcode, make sure the code gets accepted by the Leetcode. And as you can see, the code is accepted on 100%, which is a very good solution to solve this coding problem here on Leetcode 3467 transform array by parity, another interesting array coding problem. So I hope this example and this whiteboarding session helped you understand this problem and this logic easily and in a better way. And if it did, then please give it a thumbs up to this video, give it a like to this video, subscribe to this channel. Your subscription is really important. It really helps and supports this channel. Here we create videos to help others in their coding and Java interviews. It takes lots of efforts and creativity to create this video. So if you really want to appreciate it, then do give it a thumbs up to the video and subscribe to it. And click on the bell notification icon. We always keep posting such interesting videos for you guys. And if you haven't already checked out our playlist, there are more than 500 different varieties of solved coding problems available here for you. Those are the previously asked questions in interviews about graphs, matrices, binary search trees, binary trees, different data structures related problems such as stacks, queues, priority queues, min heap, max heap, and a lot more. So don't forget to check out those playlists. You are going to learn a lot from this channel. Keep learning, keep coding, keep solving more varieties of coding problems, and thanks for watching this video and have a great day ahead.